Aluminum ash rotary furnace operation. Process first. Mix cold aluminum ash with the agent and stir. 2 ignition agents drive impurities. Then after the 3 major fires are burned, they are poured into the cylinder of the rotary furnace. Heating or cooling, according to the combustion temperature in the rotary furnace. Heat up, and add cool down and add cold ash. The temperature is controlled at 680 to 730 degrees. After burning for a certain period of time, the aluminum water can be produced. The aluminum slag is transferred to the cold ash machine for cooling. Leave a small amount of high temperature aluminum slag in the pot. It is convenient to burn in the next pot.